Hi, today for the OPPO Reno 8 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And if you want to add here more applications, you should just hold the apps and drag it to the folder. If you want to rename the folder or just to give it the name, tap on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps, click to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed it. If you want to move this folder on the screen or between the screens, so just to create the new screens for the folder, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. Just to remove the application from here, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, just hold it and tap to remove icon. But don't forget, you will remove only the shortcut. This application will stay in the apps menu. And if you want to remove all of the applications with the folders or just to change the size of the folder, you should just click here to enlarge. Now we can just shrink it. And if you want to remove the folder with the applications, you should tap to remove folder. But if you want to remove only the folder and stay with these applications on the home screen, tap to remove. So let's remove the folder, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.